We're still a few months away from Apple's big reveal, but your first proper glimpse of the iPhone 17 lineup is here, thanks to new plastic mock-ups leaked by Sonny Dixon. This year, 4 models are hitting the scene: the classic iPhone 17, the ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air, and the premium iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. The base model sticks to a 6.1-inch screen and dual cameras, essentially the iPhone 16 all over again. The 17 Air brings a thinner 5.5mm body, a single rear camera inside a pill-shaped module with LED flash, and aims to rival the Moto Z in slimness. Meanwhile, according to Majin Buu, the Pro and Pro Max step things up visually, with large rectangular triple-camera modules, and may feature a new sky blue MacBook Air-like color, wrapped in a titanium shimmer. Then comes the powerhouse, iPhone 17 Pro Max. It is rumored to get slightly thicker, not in screen size, but in body, creating enough room for Apple to finally break the 5,000 mAh battery barrier, something the iPhone 16 Pro Max just missed. This added space could also make way for a bold new experiment, a carbon-based battery. While unconfirmed, it's a thrilling prospect, especially since brands like Oppo are already using thin carbon batteries in devices like the N55 Fold. Interestingly, all models will be powered by the A19 chip, the standard versions with the A19 Bionic, and the Pro models with the A19 Pro, both fabricated on TSMC 3nm processor as suggested by KUO back in 2024. Paired with iOS 19, users will also see a redesigned Vision OS-style UI, complete with circular icons, rounded corners, and buttery smooth animations. Alongside this, camera upgrades include a 24-megapixel selfie shooter across all models and a 48-megapixel telephoto lens on the Pro variants. Unfortunately, Apple still maxes out at 5x zoom, trailing Samsung's 10x. A smaller dynamic island is expected, possibly offering a tighter pill-hole layout than seen in previous generations. Thankfully, all iPhone 17 models will finally adopt 120Hz ProMotion displays, eliminating the 60Hz limitation across the lineup. Charging speeds top out at 35 watts, which is decent, but still behind Samsung's 45 watts. The iPhone 17 Air is positioned as a direct competitor to the upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge. Another key update is Apple's next-gen connectivity chip, building on the C1 chip from the iPhone 16. As for availability, the iPhone 17 series is expected to drop in September 2025, with prices starting at approximately $799 and increasing based on the model. The iPhone 17 Pro will likely begin at $1,000 for the 128GB variant, while the Pro Max with 256GB storage is expected to start around $1,200.